but my friend's birthday is in a few days' time, and I have not prepared anything for her.
Chill, my friend. I've got an idea for you.
What is it? Tell me.
Watch the next few minutes of the video and you will know.
Okay.
Hello everyone, it's me again. Have you ever struggled to think of what to give to your parents, friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, or any friend that you have for their birthdays, celebration, graduation, or any special occasion? Yes! If so, I've got an idea for you. The photo box that I'm going to show you today is very easy. All it requires is basic materials, paper, scissors, glue, color pencils, and recyclable materials. And so it's very low cost and affordable. It's also environmentally friendly. Without further ado, let's get started. The very first step is that you need a photo. For me, I wanted my photo to look digital, and so I used the app PixArt to draw on it. This is my photo. Then you have to print and cut your picture out. If you have any boxes or packages with a transparent film that you think you're about to throw it away, this is a really good chance to reuse them and recycle them. For me, I used my packaging from buying a Sylvanian family. And you might want to use some acrylic paints just to paint over the box. Now you have your photo frame right here. Moving on, we'll have to make a background for our photo frame. Just put the box on top of a paper and then trace around it. And cut it out. You might want to just put the paper back into the box and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, then just adjust accordingly. Next, you'll have to paint your background. For me, I wanted my background to be simple but at the same time comfortable, and so I'm gonna paint grass and a blue sky with clouds. This is another chance for you to recycle any paper packaging. I got this from my Oreo packaging. Now you just have to stick your photo onto this cardboard or paper. And again, you need to cut it out, but remember to leave some space under the photo. Now you have your really cute 3D photo. Next, use a cutter to cut out any small details. I personally think that this is the hardest part of this DIY, but besides this, everything else is just cut and paste. Here comes the part where you just have to stick everything together. Remember to leave out some space so that you can stick the flap in. Then glue your lovely picture into the box. In order to support the 3D picture so that it stands upright, I'm just going to cut a piece of cardboard and fold it into an L shape. Then glue it to your photo and the bottom of the box. And we are very close to finishing our photo frame. All you have to do is put some glue and stick the flap in, and we are done. Now you can freestyle and decorate your photo frame. If it's a room decoration, feel free to personalize it with everything you like. If it's a gift for your very important person, feel free to write messages on the box. I know it can be really hard sometimes for you to think what to put on the box, and so I'm here to give you some inspiration. You can always think of what your favorite person likes. It can be their hobbies. It can also be something that represents you guys. In order to make good use of the back of the box and also to finish up my work, I will just put a quote at the back of it. Ta-da! This is your very pretty, cute, unique, personalized photo frame. Now it's ready to be presented to your very important person as a gift. You can put it on your desk as a room decoration, or hang it on walls as long as there's a hook. There are many benefits of making DIYs. Number 1, it's better than buying a gift because it shows the important person that you're willing to put time and effort into making something for them. Number 2, there are no restrictions and limitations on how you do them and what you make, so just follow your heart and do what you feel like doing. Number 3, there are no rights or wrongs, mistakes, so don't be afraid, be free, be creative, be brave. Number 4, you don't have to be good at art to do DIYs because everyone can make them. Last but not least, number 5, you don't need to strive for perfection because it's the imperfection that makes your work unique and special. That's it for today's video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also feel free to comment anything down below. And I will see you next week. Bye!